Today we have the 2023 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has done just under 10,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we approach the back of the vehicle, we can see that it's a crew cab. It has 5 seats in total, all of which are black leather. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen, we can access our Bluetooth, navigation, mobile apps, Apple and Android CarPlay, full pass connect, valet mode, and ambient lighting. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. The Ranger also comes with lane assist, hill descent control, and 3 different driving modes to choose from.